Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to prepare basic 3D model in CREO software. So you can see this drawing. This is the ISO drawing. So all the dimensions are mentioned in this drawing. You can see the base size is 125 by 90 and height is 60 mm. So open the CREO software, go to new, select part solid and give the part name here. Okay, change the template here, MMNS part solid ABS. Okay, select the plane, sketch, go to view mode, select the center rectangle. So change the dimension, the base is 125 by 90, 125, enter, 90, enter. So sketch is ready, finish sketch, go to extrude, extrude up to 20, 20 plus 20, 60 mm, extrude up to 60 mm, click OK. So go to view, change the view style, shaded with edges. So turn up the all visibility planes. You can see this drawing, there are two cutouts is there, two steps, 20 mm, this is 125 minus 45, depth is 30 plus 30, 60 mm, and one more is 30 mm depth. So select this surface, sketch, view mode, select the corner rectangle, give the dimension from here to here 45 mm and height is 20 mm. Finish sketch. Again select extrude, remove material, reverse 60 mm. Click OK. One step cutout is ready. Again select same surface, sketch, view mode, select the corner rectangle, okay. So this dimension has taken 20 mm automatically, no need to give the dimension. If you want, we can measure. See, 20 is there. Finish sketch, select extrude, remove material, reverse, depth is 30 mm. Okay. So that's it friends, our basic part is ready. So here we can assign material also. Select entire body, go to view, appearances. You can see there are some material name is coming, PTC standard aluminum, PTC standard aluminum polished. I will select this. Okay. So I will change the machining surfaces also, color change. Select the yellow one, select the surfaces, machined surfaces. Okay. So that's it friends. So if you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. So first select the path, saved file path, Control C, Control S. So here paste the path. Okay. Okay, thanks friends, thanks for watching this video.